Imagine this. Two people start with the same resources, the same opportunities, and even the same education. 10 years later, one is wealthy beyond imagination, and the other is still struggling to make ends meet. Why does this happen? Is it luck, talent, or something else entirely? Welcome to today's video. The psychology of becoming rich. Change your mindset. We're about to uncover the secrets of wealth building that most people never learn, and by the end of this video, you'll have practical steps to start applying right now to transform your financial future. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and comment below with your thoughts. Let's make this a two-way conversation. 1. The wealth mindset versus the poverty mindset. Let's start by debunking one of the biggest myths. Becoming rich isn't just about money, it's about your mindset. What is a wealth mindset? A wealth mindset focuses on growth, abundance, and opportunity. It's about believing you can improve your financial situation through actions and learning. People with a wealth mindset focus on long-term gains and delayed gratification. What is a poverty mindset? A poverty mindset focuses on scarcity, fear, and short-term rewards. This mindset often leads to self-sabotaging habits like excessive spending, avoiding risk, or settling for less. Here's some practical tips to transition. 1. Daily affirmations. Say statements like, "I am capable of creating wealth," or "opportunities flow to me effortlessly." This might feel awkward, but neuroscience proves that repetition rewires your brain. 2. Surround yourself with wealth-oriented people. As the saying goes, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Join networking groups, attend seminars, or follow successful individuals online. 2. The power of belief. Did you know that your beliefs about money can either propel you towards success or keep you trapped in a cycle of financial struggle? According to Dr. Carol Dweck, the author of Mindset, The New Psychology of Success, believing you can grow and learn, a growth mindset, is the cornerstone of any success. Here's some practical steps. 1. Identify limiting beliefs. Write down every negative thought you have about money, like money is evil or rich people are greedy. 2. Replace these beliefs. Counter them with empowering beliefs like money is a tool for freedom or rich people create jobs and value. 3. Visualize abundance. Spend 5 minutes daily visualizing your ideal financial future. This is not just wishful thinking. Neuroscience shows visualization activates brain areas responsible for motivation. 3. The science of habits and wealth. Wealth is not built overnight. It's the result of consistent habits. James Clear, in his bestseller Atomic Habits, emphasizes the power of small, consistent actions over time. Let's break it down. Here's some key financial habits. 1. Track every dollar. Use apps like Mint or You Need a Budget to track income and expenses. 2. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account. 3. Invest early and often. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Warren Buffett started investing at 11. You're not too late, but you should start today. Practice the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. 4. Emotional intelligence and money. Emotional intelligence plays a huge role in financial success. A study by TalentSmart found that EQ accounts for 58% of performance in all job types, including those related to wealth creation. Here's how to improve EQ for wealth. 1. Master impulse control. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? 2. Develop resilience. Learn to bounce back from financial setbacks. Read stories of successful people who overcame failures. J.K. Rowling, for example, went from welfare to multi-millionaire. 3. Build negotiation skills. Whether it's salary discussions or business deals, strong negotiation can add significant value to your income. 5. The importance of financial education. Schools rarely teach financial literacy, but books and online resources can fill the gap. Consider these essential reads. 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. 2. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. 3. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Dedicate 30 minutes a day to reading financial books or watching educational videos. 6. The role of gratitude in wealth building. You might wonder, what does gratitude have to do with wealth? Research by Dr. Robert Emmons shows that practicing gratitude improves mental well-being and decision-making, critical for financial success. Here's how to cultivate gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal. Write 3 things you're grateful for daily. Reflect on past financial wins, no matter how small. Use gratitude as a tool to shift focus from scarcity to abundance. Congratulations! You've just taken the first step toward mastering the psychology of wealth. Remember, the road to riches isn't just about money, it's about the mindset, habits, and daily actions you choose. So here's your challenge. Start implementing one tip from this video today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who could use a financial mindset shift. See you in the next video.